Welcome back to another media review. Today we're looking at a flyer insert from Primary Arms and specifically Primary Arms Optics. So this flyer was included with a previous package and here highlights some of the features of ACSS, the Advanced Combined Sighting System, and the reticles, the variations on reticles, as well as a sample of scopes that these reticles can be obtained in. Um, this flyer is from approximately the mid 2010s, so feel free to research current product offerings, specifications, etc. from Primary Arms because these specifications are, of course, subject to change. So looking at the top of the flyer here, we can see the Primary Arms Optics branding, and then opening paragraph, why ACSS, with kind of a logo made from the chevron there. And we can see here the opening paragraphs. Get that to focus. And how ACSS reticles distill complex math into an intuitive reticle that matches your rifle's ballistic profile. And we can see here infinitely precise center chevrons, ranging ladders, calibrated bullet drop compensation, moving target leads, and wind holds. Let's see if I can take the shadow away here. And then here we have a section, which reticle is right for you? And here we just list just some of them. And again, they stress full list of reticles and products. Please visit the website. So again, research is available there. So starting on the left side, we have the ACSS Raptor M2, the ACSS HUD DMR, ACSS Aurora HM, ACSS 5.56, ACSS Predator, and ACSS Orion. And you can see here the variation on the data that's available with each reticle to help with your calculations. Here we just have a very small set of feature products. You see here a GLX 2.5 to 10 by 44 millimeter with ACSS Raptor M2 reticle. You can see it's calibrated for various calibers, lifetime warranty. Again, the price could be subject to change. This is from several years ago. So again, please visit their website for full list of reticles and products for their information. In the middle here, we have Primary Arms GLX 2x Prism with ACSS CQB M5 Reticles, plural. 2 reticles available. And then the list of calibers there listed, lifetime warranty. And on this side, we have Primary Arms SLX 1 to 6 with ACSS reticles. 6 available, calibers, etc. If we turn this over, we can see they've also included some sample targets here. Not a lot of information on usage of them, so I'm going to lean back on a previous flyer that was used in another video. And you can see this one is totally different than this one. But some of the instructions for these size targets here, you can see these match up. Each target is made up of rings spread 0.25 inches from each other. Placing the target 100 yards will make each ring 0.25 MOA. So that's what these ones are right here. And then they're labeled for ease of use. And then they have the little directional guides on how to adjust your how many clicks and in which direction if you want to adjust your next shot. Here we also have the 4 rules of gun safety. We'll just include that real quick. But again, the 0.25 MOA, I guess what else? No, this one is actually a different grid size, including the row at the bottom. But there's a multiple use target. You can aim at the lower row, 4 corners, the very large target you can set up at a variety of distances for way out or close in if you want to actually use it on, say, a different type of platform, like a handheld one. And we also have a grid system as well, so you can get very precise. And if you have something that has very narrow accuracy, you can really pepper this target with multiple uses. And even strange little tick mark areas that you can also use too as other aiming points for very tight aiming as well, not just the overall grid. So, variety of aiming points on this side. Flipping back over again. Again, we're taking a look at a flyer insert from Primary Arms, specifically Primary Arms Optics. Feel free to check out Primary Arms. They do have a large variety of items, not just optics, but they do have their own brand line. And again, many reticles to choose from, as well as a variety of scopes to choose from. So feel free to check out their product offerings and specifications and contact info. This has been another media review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.